The eraser tool lets you erase any part or area from your artwork. It is located here on the toolbar, or you can press Shift E to select it. So let's draw a rectangle and give a fill to it. And now if I want to erase some part of this, I can very easily do it. Select the eraser tool and just drag over the area that you want to erase. The shapes that you get after using the eraser tool are individual shapes. So you can select these shapes using the selection tool and can modify them. Not only I can create straight cut, I can even draw custom shapes like say zigzag line to cut this circle. You can also erase in a straight line. For this, you need to press the shift key while dragging like this. You can even cut diagonally at a 45-degree angle by keeping the shift key pressed and drag diagonally. Here also you can modify any shape individually. Now if you press Alt or Option key on Mac, then you can create a region that can be used as an eraser. So if I press the Option key and drag, I can create a region. And when you release the mouse, that specific region will get removed from the shape. You can change the color of this new shape if you like. Double clicking on the eraser icon on the toolbar will bring up the customization dialog box, where you can set the angle of the eraser, size of the eraser, or roundness of the eraser. If you press the bracket key, which is located next to the letter P on the keyboard, you can change the brush size. So this is a very handy shortcut. Now you can use this eraser tool creatively. Let's design a sliced text. Here I am going to use the type tool to write the letter S. So let's scale it a bit. Now copy this S and paste and change it to T and place the T below S to about here. Now before erasing some parts of this text, you need to convert this letter to artwork. And how you can do this? First select both the letter using the selection tool and now right click and then choose create outline. This will change the text into artwork which you can edit. So now select the eraser tool and now change the size to about this and swipe up. Then use the pen tool to draw a line in between these two shapes. You can also use the line tool to create the line. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the stroke of this line and adjust the shape to get the sliced text.